Hi Nala, I'm gonna miss you so much. Are you gonna miss mommy? Bye. I'm also bringing these babies. Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm actually going to be taking you guys along with me to go like prepare for my trip that I'm going on this Friday. I'm actually going to Mexico with my boyfriend this Friday. We leave in 2 days. Oh my god. I am so freaking excited to get away from this freaking cold. It's literally negative 28 today, but with the wind chill, it's negative 50. Like what? And I'm the craziest person ever because I'm about to go outside and go to a hair appointment. So yeah, I'm definitely not looking forward to this, but you know, I just want to get my hair done because I really don't like it right now. And I just want to get like trimmed and get some layers in it before I leave for my trip. So, you know, I'm just gonna bundle up and like suffer through it just to get it done. But yeah, so I'm going to my hair appointment pretty soon, and then later today I'm actually going to get my nails done because I don't know, I haven't had my nails done in a really long time, and my friend's mom actually owns her own nail salon and can get me a really great deal on them. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing to get ready for my trip. Some of it's going to take place today, and then some of it will take place tomorrow, like the self-tanning and like packing and everything. Okay, I just want to prove this to you guys, but it's negative 25 out right now, but it actually feels like negative 49. Like what? Is this even real life? I'm gonna freaking die out there. I look like a giant teddy bear. But okay guys, wish me luck. I'm going out there. Okay, I just got out of my haircut. I'll show you guys it when I get home. But yeah, it's very freaking cold out. Alright guys, well this is the final result. I just got it a little shorter. I think it was cut like 2 inches, and then I got layers. I absolutely love it. It looks so cute. It just has a lot more movement, which I really like. I don't like when my hair is like the exact same length. I don't know. I just don't think it looks good on me. You know, when you get a new haircut and you kind of feel like a new bitch and you kind of just feel, you know, on top of the world. That's exactly how I feel right now. But yeah, I will update you guys later when I'm going to get my nails done. Hey guys, so it is actually the next day. I didn't actually end up filming anything last night after I got my nails done, just because it was kind of like a busy night and it was so freezing out. Like I was just freezing the whole night. My toes were literally frozen, and I ended up hanging out with my friend after I got my nails done. So yeah, but I just want to show you guys my nails because I was supposed to do that. So here are the nails that I got done. These are not my real nails, I wish, but it's just this like pinky nude color, and I just think it's super pretty and will go with like everything. I haven't had fake nails in so long, so it feels super weird, but I'm loving it. So yeah, it is actually Thursday. It's the day before I leave to go to Mexico. I am so excited. I can't wait to leave Minnesota because the weather here just freaking sucks right now. I actually already started packing, so I'll show you guys what I have so far. But basically this is the scene right now. So basically this is what I got going so far. Some really cheap flip-flops that I just bought today for like $4. Don't judge me. And then I just put together some like cute night out outfits. So I'm maybe gonna wear this like, it's kind of like a burnt orange, I want to say, dress. It's super pretty. And then I'm gonna put it with this really freaking cute, you guys have probably already seen it, but this really cute jean jacket, and I think that would look really cute together just for a night out. And then also guys, I got this new top that I bought from Boohoo, and I'm freaking obsessed with it. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on because you guys will die. It's the cutest thing ever. And then I picked out some bathing suits that I'm gonna bring over here. Got 3 new swimsuits. These 2 right here are from Zaful. This one is so pretty. It's just like really floral and I love it. And then this one's super red. I think it goes really well with my brown hair and it looks so good on. They honestly fit so well. And then I actually got this one piece from Forever 21. It's got a super cute back to it, and then it's just super plungy. Yeah, it looks really great on. I can't wait to wear it. I don't usually wear one pieces, but I thought I would give it a shot, and this one looks really cute. Also, I wanted to show you guys this beach bag that I ordered off of Amazon. I've never had a bag like this, but I don't know, I've seen a lot of like cute beach bags that are like basket type beach bags. I just thought it was super cute and I feel like it'll look really good in pictures maybe. In my beach bag, I'm just going to be putting in these makeup wipes. I don't know if I wear makeup to the beach and my makeup like smears everywhere, then I want to be able to remove it. So I'm going to bring those in there. And then I got my coconut total hydration chapstick. I felt like coconut was fitting for this trip. Also, I think I'm going to bring my medium and heavy resistance bands just so I can do a nice booty workout while I'm there, because they do actually have a really nice gym at the resort that I'm staying at. So I'm just going to put these in this cute little bag that came with them when I bought them. And then of course I'm going to bring these 2 pairs of leggings for whenever I plan to work out. So that goes there. That looks like a mess. Also, I really need to pack some sunscreen. Otherwise, your girl is going to be turning into a lobster in a good 5 minutes when I get there. Oh my, I am too short for this. Okay. We got it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys this new perfume that I got. It's Lady Coco. It won't focus. Please focus. There we go. But yeah, you can get this at Urban Outfitters for like $18. It's super affordable and it just smells like coconut. It's super sweet and just smells really delicious. One of my favorite YouTubers actually always recommends this. Her name's Maggie McDonald. I don't know if you guys watch her or anything, but yeah, she always recommends this and says how good it smells and always brings it on her vacations. So I really wanted to get it because it was pretty affordable. But yeah, it actually smells so good and I can't wait to wear it. I'm also bringing these babies. Does this make me look like an ant or something? Oh my god. Okay, I don't know. Do I look really freaking weird with these? These are huge. I don't know. I felt like they looked really good, but now I'm questioning everything. I don't know, guys. I never buy sunglasses. They never look good on me. I don't know why. I don't know. I wasn't blessed with a good head shape for sunglasses. Alright, I've decided it's self-tanning time, so let's go do this. So I actually already prepped my skin last night. I shaved, exfoliated, and moisturized last night. So I'm ready to go in with my Loving Tan 2-Hour Express in the shade Dark. So let's do this. This is what's going on while I'm tanning. Hey Nala. Are you having fun right there with your ball? Alright, I'm all self-tanned now. As you can see, it turned out so good. It went on so evenly and I love it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here just because I don't really have anything else to show you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready for my trip with me. I am so excited. I can't wait for tomorrow. But yeah, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of the videos that I film while I'm in Mexico if you want to see what I do while I'm there. Also, I will probably be posting a ton on my Instagram stories, so make sure you are following me on there as well. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hi Nala, I'm gonna miss you so much. Are you gonna miss mommy? Oh, my gosh, she has to fight me. Hey.